Hello there today, and I'm going to be doing some random sounds for ASMR purposes. ASMR is it's a definition that it's a word that you can't have a definition for because it's mostly about feeling. ASMR, if you're able to experience it or if you know what it is where you get tingles on your the back of your skull, or like down your neck or your body, and there are some sounds that drive people to relaxation, and it's also where you feel relaxed too, like you feel sleepy. If you've ever been read to by a librarian while you're just gathered in a circle and she's reading you a story in such a soft-spoken voice, and you hear the page turning while she's off speaking, and it's just so quiet and peaceful and lovely, and you've ever had the compulsion to take a nap, that's what it is. Or if you've ever had someone brush your hair, or your mom brush your hair when you were younger, that too. And there are some ASMR sounds. I don't know if I have many, but I will try to make this feel as real as possible, because some people script their videos whenever they're doing role play. But some people just and has a hardcover thing on it, and I will just be using my nails for this because they're quite long. I'm really sorry for the disturbing noises, but this is like kind of during the day. So, and my grandpa lives in a city, and there's a lot of commotion going on, so I apologize again for the disturbance or occurrence. So I'm gonna save the book for later and use other ASMR sounds with it. Since I am on a, it might be too bright. Give me a second. I wonder if that's better. Yeah. Okay, so I have my grandpa's keyboard right here with me, and whatever. And I heard that keyboard sounds are usually relaxing to people, so again, pardon that. Okay, so it's on. Okay, maybe I shouldn't use this. How about I will just page turning sounds. Usually is relaxing to people. You guys find page turning relaxing. Done with, and I think I'm about out of ideas for this, or sounds for this, so I'm just going to be going, and I hope you guys thought this video was relaxing, so like, comment, and subscribe.